So hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to download a voice message on WhatsApp, and all you can do is first tap on the download option, and as you can see, it will be downloading itself. And another option is if you click on the save as, in the case that you did download it, it will appear here once it has finished downloading. Another option is to right click on it, tap on the save as, and then we are going to click on save. And once we head on over to our download, as you can see, mine appeared like this. But in the case that it doesn't appear like this, but it appears as a WAPT file, all you can do is head on over to your Chrome application, and then you are going to search for WAPT to MP3. You're going to tap on this, and while you're here, you're going to choose the file that is in WAPT, and it will be converted to MP3. Once it is done, you're going to click on the download, and it will be downloaded. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.